Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. Today's video is really exciting because I am actually moving. Now, I always wanted to help my mom get a house, and even though I myself didn't buy an entire house for her, I was still able to help a dramatic amount to where the house that we will be moving to is so cool and so great and honestly everything that she deserves. But that means that I have to pack everything in my bedroom and all of my handbags. So I thought it would be really fun for you to come with me. We can pack together and then unpack together at my new house. It's also so weird that this is the last video that I will be shooting in this bedroom, and I will be showing you my bedroom currently. It is so small. You will all be so surprised. Everybody that sees it is so surprised because there is literally this amount of room to walk in, especially with everything in it, like my lighting equipment, my computer, just everything I have. So it's so cool. So, let's show you. So now time to show you the background of how I actually film. And right here, what we're looking at is actually my bedroom door, which is completely blocked by all of my shelves, and then right behind it we do have my closet, which is again completely blocked. But all of these I do move every time after I film, and it honestly, it used to be a struggle, but I did get really used to it, so it's not like the worst thing in the world. Scrolling over here, this is exactly where I put my phone. So usually I have my phone here, and then I do have a microphone attached to my phone. So usually, when I sit down, this is where I would sit, and then this is my view of the room. And then once I'm done, I have to put it all back. So every time I'm done filming, what I would do is, stand up. We gotta move this and bring it over here. Go ahead, take this, slide it this way, shove it in the corner. This one comes here. This one. Usually I have it like this, however this one I actually put backwards because my cat likes to play in the bottoms of these, which I don't allow, but she does anyway. But that way, just to protect the bags and just so she doesn't, because we all know my cat Bella, she did pee on this specific shelf before. She did pee on this specific handbag. I do have a video about that, so if you want to hear the full story and some pictures of it, definitely click that link up above and you will see. But because of that, I am careful to make sure she doesn't affect my areas. Also, I will say that the Louis Vuitton bag right here, this right here is actually already full, and this is the size 55. So, on the go, traveling. But this I already, filled to the brim with stuff. So in here, I just pretty much threw everything that was in my dresser, like my Versace pillowcases, oil pads, all of my socks and underwear are in here, and then, all that. We got some beanies and stuff. But yeah, super cute. It's so heavy though. So what I will have to do is I have all the dust bags for all of these bags. So I have to grab the dust bags, put them all in dust bags, and then start putting them in boxes. I'm also going to maybe turn off the lights now, just because they are in the way and I do want to get back and forth quickly. I do only have 2 hours to do this. So in all honesty, the lighting might be a little less, but it will be good because I can actually move around. So let's go ahead. Oh, and you can actually see the difference with the lights. So that's one. That's two. And then this one right here is my main lights. This one. I've had this one since California in my makeup videos. So this is a good light. So let me get that. And voila. Well, actually, well, okay, it might be a little too dark. I'll probably at least keep this one. Okay, so we now have box one. I'm gonna start with the small bags, like right here. The Barbie ones, the ones above my cat's food. Looks like my cat beat me to it. Bella. Isabella. Hi, I love you. You're beautiful. You can sit in the box as long as you want. I'll wait. Here we have my Barbie Canada Pooch bag. This is a fanny pack that's meant for dogs and stuff, but it's still Barbie in pink, so I thought it was cute. We have a random fanny pack with no name on it, and it's kind of cheap material, but it's in my collection. We do have a Clueless pouch, which is so cute. It even has this cute little feather ball on it. Very, very cute pouch. This was my first ride or die wallet, the one that I truly fell in love with. This one is so, so beat up, but I still have it because maybe I could redo the leather on it somehow or pay somebody to do it. So I still have it. These two bags, which I have never once used, They are both supposed to be like shearling, very, very Bottega vibes. This one has like a cute heart pouch that I put on myself. They do have crossbody chains on them as well. And this one still even has the plastic on the zipper and stuff. It's kind of small to get your hand in, but really, really cute bags nonetheless. So I do have these. So one shelf done, but I'm going to move my Versace pillow right here because I do have this right here, like my cute little Kylie brats. This, I'm just going to throw in a bag. I'm just going to throw this in my Versace contacts. I think this is the one I have to wear today. My Versace Barbie, I do have an entire video on this. I love this Barbie so much. This was a Christmas gift, no, a birthday gift from my mom, and I love it so much. It's so cool. This can go in this box. It's my rock. My luck rock can go in this box. So all of this is fine, but I will just take this. This is something that I made a very long time ago when I was in California. This is made out of like glitter, and it's just an empty Chanel tube to rip it's powder too. This is actually the Chanel makeup powder, and it is impossible to rip the inner lining off where all those holes are. It took me so long to do and days of like trying, but I finally got it to where it's just open inside. I dumped glitter, and now it's like a cute decoration. My colognes I'm leaving for now, but I do have this Barbie box as well. And this is actually a really, really cute bag for Spirit Halloween. Current season as well. This is this year's Spirit Halloween. I want to make a Spirit Halloween vlog like I usually do, all of the Halloween stuff I got. But with the whole moving stuff, I'm just not entirely sure, and everything's misplaced. So we'll have to see about that. Chanel cotton pads can go in this box. I love my Chanel cotton pads. Such a good purchase. I do have this, and this is from Christian Dior, and this is actually something that you'd find at Macy's, that you put your cologne on like that, and like your fragrance. And it's actually pink right here too, so it matches the Chanel one. My Versace keychain that my friend Devin Christopher got me. I do have a video about that as well. I'm going to put this in this box in between the fur bags just so it's careful and protected. And I'm going for this one, and in this shelf thing, it's a lot of cute bags. Like, I do have a bunch of these from Target, actually, but they look like a Celine bag, so they're like 100% approved by me. I'm going to go ahead and just lay these in here. I'll actually stand these up. That way they're perfect. I do make small ones as well. So I love the small ones. Go ahead. This pouch is a nice black pouch. I really like it. Inside we have a cute little coin purse. And then we do have this cute little fur bag as well. Love that. Very cute. I know you just can't help yourself, can you? That's why I blocked this shelf off, so you can't do that. We do have my famous Versace Barbie bag, and I call this my famous Versace Barbie bag because I have a Versace scarf on the inside, since this is translucent. It's just so cute together. And then this one too, add these in here. This is a Barbie makeup case. I've never used it, but I do have it. In a Barbie trunk, but this one, my mom actually really likes this. So I think I'm actually just gonna let my mom keep this. This bag, I am so excited to do a review on, because this is my very first, like, designer bag, over, like, 500. And this one right here, well, technically it was Calvin Klein, but this is my one that I still have, the oldest bag that I have, from Michael Kors, all Italian leather, such good quality, and he really just doesn't make bags like this anymore. Here I have my Versace duffel bag, but I'm actually going to put this, I actually have 2 of these, so I'm going to save this for another box, and probably put all my lightweight ones on it. Again, for the black ones, I do have this one in black as well, just like I have the pinks and the shearlings. Next we have this, it's not a Birkin, it's not a Kelly, it's not Hermes, but it does want to be an Hermes Kelly. It opens just like it. All it is, it's missing the Hermes name on it. This one I actually did get at TJ Maxx, and it is really cute. I think it was only, honestly, like $12. And I was like, for $12, I will 100% take it. And you can tell it's kind of like cheap and definitely not real Kelly, because it's just so kind of hard to maneuver and close it. And the real one would not be that difficult. So the rest of the bags, I have dust bags for. These are all like my super expensive ones that I'm leaving last. And then, you know, I'll throw them in dust bags and I'll do it. Right now, I do want to get all the contemporary ones out of the way. So that leaves me with, we could do these things right here, which this I keep on my shelf. It's a cute little Christmas ornament that is perfect for a handbag shelf. And Barbie, and then Princess Peach's car. Also do my box for one of my Chanel perfumes. And then we have this cute little bag. It's supposed to be the Balenciaga Hourglass Bag, so I have it sitting next to my real one. And then we have this cute little girl sitting next to my bag. They go perfect together. My La Medusa, go ahead, do that. Burberry, I think I could put him in there. Untie my Jacquemus bag. This I think is going to be a separate box. I could do my wallets probably. So here I have a bunch of wallets. This is my long one from Target. My grandma's. This is a really cool backpack because you can wear it 10 different ways. It has, honestly, so many different ways. It has straps here you could do, straps here like a backpack, one strap, options unlimited. I do have this Coach one too, which I actually forgot I had because it was hidden back there. So I do have this bag right here. This is actually from Charming Charlie's, which I always used to get bags from there when I was living in California. And this, my mom and I actually have a matching bag of this, so it's so cute. And I love that. And that is it for box 1. So now let's go move on to box 2. Box 2, I think it'll be a little easier because I can just kind of like shove everything in this one. So in this Versace box right here, I have a bunch of fun random stuff. Just like cute little Versace stickers and this and that. So this bag I got from Target, and this one I have never once used it. I actually thought you drop it. It's really, really cool and really big, so it is functional. I just don't use anything contemporary because I have all of my luxury bags. But this one's really cute. My cat actually scratched all of this, which is why I block it. But, you know, cats. This one right here totally wants to look like Bottega Veneta. However, once again, I think this was at Target if I'm not mistaken. These two bags are really cute because they do have cute little ribbons and bows on them. So, super adorable. This one I love because it's like a kid's version of the Balenciaga City bag. And this is so cute and so perfect. My future daughter is gonna love this one. I do actually have this one as well. And this one isn't really like a bag. It's very tiny, very small. And it's kind of like a coin purse thing, but I like it for like decoration. And, you know, it's cute. We have my Pennywise bag from the movie It, and this one is so cool. It says SS Georgie on it, and it's a cute little boat that takes him away. This one's definitely one of my favorites for my future daughter. This one is just so cute and girly, and I love this one for her. Along with this one too, it's just so adorable and cute. I think these two are from TJ Maxx, actually. Or, yeah, TJ Maxx, I would say. Down here we do have a Barbie tote bag, which I absolutely love these. We have a Balenciaga backpack, which technically, don't ask me why, but for sometimes shoes actually comes in this. And I don't know why they give you a backpack for your shoes. But, you know, I use it for an actual backpack, and it is fantastic. But then we have these two right here, and these two are really cute. Again, I think these ones are actually from Target as well. And it's just so cute. They have the metal chain, and then they have a crossbody strap as well. Love, love, love those. Those could just sit right up top. Then the rest have to wait for another bigger bag, and like the main bag with all my like main items. But we do have this one, which wants to be a hourglass bag, a crocodile version from Balenciaga. This is one of my only fake bags. I got this at a thrift store and it was like $2, but it's Prada. But it's so like retro looking and I really like it. The handles on it are atrocious. They would never be this long. This crocodile looking one, which wants to be a brand called By Far. They have a lilac bag, looks just like this. And alright, that is it for now. I am going to take a break. And I'm not going to film the process of me packing the luxury items away because it's really just me putting them in a dust bag and putting them in a box. But all of the small and kind of like careless bags are already out of the way. And now we have the ones that like actually matter. And then I do have to, you know, take down the backdrops that were along my bed. And also take down the lighting equipment. So I still have a couple stuff to do. Next time you see me, I will probably be unpacking this in my new house. Really fun and exciting, so yeah. So I just took the backdrop off of the wall, and it is crazy. I've had these backdrops up for so long. I honestly hate these bedroom colors, but I was never able to change it. So I'm so happy that is off. It is so weird to look at it with it gone. Now we are in my brand new bedroom. Now originally I really wanted to film myself unpacking and setting up, but as you can see, there is just so much stuff. And honestly, this is not even the half of it. There was honestly so much stuff to where it would have been impossible for me to film. And honestly, it was so packed and crazy that it actually did make me want to cry for a second because I was so overwhelmed. However, it did turn out really well. So now let's go ahead and show you my brand new setup. Now, thankfully, I am so lucky to finally have a display shelf that I can finally keep together and not have to move around constantly every time I want to film and not film. So I am so happy that this is finally set up. You have no idea just how relaxing this is. And this is honestly just such a good feeling. So now I can just sit right in the middle of here and put all of my lighting right in front of me. No longer such a giant hassle, and I am so happy about this. And I do have a new addition for my handbag shelves as well, and this is my luxury bookshelf with my hats on top of it. And this is so cute. I love, love, love the way that I did set it up. It is so perfect. However, originally I did want to put my Versace Crystal La Medusa bag right there, but I think I prefer it hanging up on my closet door. So I'm not really too sure what to do with this shelf, but it is really cute how I decorated it. And now, just to show you, I no longer even have to put my lights on my bed. It is just so nice and peaceful. I'm not really exactly sure how I'm going to decorate my room exactly yet, but for now, this is a great start. And wow, I am really, really happy. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below, and have a great day. Au revoir.